Do you want to learn how to get followers fast while streaming live on Twitch? Are you on that push to affiliate, so you want to get 50 followers as fast as possible so you can start making money? Well, if the process from going from 0 to 50 followers is going too slow for you, I bring you guys 10 tips on how to go from 0 to 50 followers. But before we get into this video, hit up the like button, hit up the sub button, and leave a comment down below. It really helps me out as a YouTuber. Thanks again, you guys. Welcome into the video. My name's CalmCoolSavage and you're watching CCS TV. So you clicked on this video because you want to get followers fast and easy. Well, I'm going to get straight to the point and give you guys 10 tips on how to do that. Tip number 1, when you start live streaming on Twitch, you're always going to want to be talking. This is hard to do sometimes for some people, including myself, but if you have nothing to talk about on stream, just talk about what you're doing and narrate your stream. This can easily be done for whatever type of content you're making on Twitch. Tip number 2, be engaging with your viewers. When a viewer comes in your stream and says hi in chat, say hi back. Have a conversation with them and ask how their day is. Try to build relationships with your viewers that make them want to hit the follow button and come back next time. Tip number 3, utilize the channel points. Twitch recommends the lowest costing channel point to your viewers. This is a great way to get your viewers to engage with your channel and possibly get that follow. All you have to do is make a simple channel point reward that makes viewers say hi in chat, and make this redeemable for about 50 points. So when a viewer redeems this, it says hi in the chat. This is pretty simple and pretty easy, but it gets people engaged. Tip number 4, you have to make content on YouTube. Post on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, all the social medias to promote your stream. Now, if you're live streaming and you're complaining about not getting any follows and you're not networking on all the other social medias, then you're missing out. So making content on YouTube is probably the #1 way in 2022 to grow your Twitch. Tip number 5, stream your talents and hobbies to gain like-minded viewers for easy follows. If you like making beats, then stream yourself making beats, and there's definitely going to be someone else out there who likes music that's going to hit up the follow button on your stream. Tip number 6, make a schedule and stick to your schedule. Now, you don't have to stream every single day to gain followers. You can literally stream like 3 times a week, but you just got to stick to that schedule so viewers know when you go live. On your days off, just make content on YouTube. Tip number 7, always strive to make the quality of your content better and better. Another great way to get followers is to have good quality content. So make sure you have good quality, a clear webcam, and your mic sounds nice. But if you start live streaming and your setup's not the greatest, and it's just a little low quality, don't worry, you can still grow on stream and get followers. This brings me to tip number 8. This might not work for everybody, but somehow worked for me when I first started streaming. I didn't have the best setup, so when I first started streaming, I put some goals on my stream. I made some bit goals and donation goals for better equipment, and somehow people wanted to support the stream. And I feel like making some of these donation goals kept people coming back to the stream because they always wanted to see what the progress of the goal was. But this was back in 2018, so I'm not sure how it'd work out now, but you can give it a shot. Tip number 9, and this is another big one. You gotta find games in the Twitch category that have 0 to 30 viewers. These are niche games. A lot of the time, the smaller games only have a couple of streamers, but a lot more viewers. Some people don't know that if you stream some of these small games, you can end up with your first stream having 10 viewers. And a lot of the time, these games are easy follows. People see them playing their favorite game that not a lot of streamers play, they're gonna follow your stream. So if you find yourself streaming one of these games, start making content on YouTube for that game. This will give you a lot of potential to boost your follows. Tip number 10, find a way to brand yourself. Do something unique that stands out from all the other streamers. Create your own unique theme or add a lore to your stream. For me, my colors are orange and blue, and I always like to wear a blue hat and something orange. This way, people can know it's me at just a glance. And there you have it. There's 10 tips on how to go from 0 to 50 followers on Twitch. If you found one of these tips really helpful, comment down below your favorite tip, and I'll go into depth with a full video. Just hit up that like button and hit up that sub button. Thanks again for watching the video. Until the next one, keep it calm, keep it cool, keep it savage.